In today's video, I'm going to teach you an overview of HubSpot workflow. We'll walk through where to find automation, how to explore templates that match your plan, and what each template is designed to do so you can pick the right one with confidence. Start on your HubSpot home screen. From there, open Automation and choose Overview. What you see here depends on your subscription, so your options may vary. If you already know what you want to automate, use the search box to describe it. HubSpot's AI will suggest a setup and help you draft a workflow you can fine-tune. To browse everything available to you, select View All Templates to see organized, ready-made starting points. Let's preview a set of popular templates and what they're built to accomplish. The Welcome and Assign New Contacts to Sales template welcomes new contacts, assigns an owner, and can create a follow-up task. Remind customers to renew their subscription schedules time-based reminders ahead of a renewal date and can branch based on response. Email associated contacts when a company raises funding triggers on a company update and notifies or emails related contacts with personalized context. Send an email series when a form is submitted, enrolls submitters into a timed nurture with delays, goals, and suppression if they convert. Tell contact owners when a lead interacts with your website, alerts the owner, and can create tasks based on page views or key behaviors. Send re-engagement email to cold leads targets, contacts with low recent activity, and sends a win-back message, removing them from the sequence if they engage. Send a 4-email drip campaign to customers delivers a scheduled series for onboarding or education with clear goals. Email website visitors based on page visited targets follow-ups using the exact pages viewed. Create and assign tasks when a new deal is created. Standardizes sales follow-up by auto-generating tasks with due dates. Move to the next page to see more. Create a task when a company raises funding, assigns internal follow-up for strategic accounts. Stop tracking intent signals when a company is closed. 1. Turns off monitoring once an account becomes a customer. Send email when form is submitted, sends a simple confirmation or resource instantly. Send welcome email to new blog subscriber, thanks subscribers and shares top content. Send welcome email to new customer, delivers onboarding next steps and key links. Send confirmation email after event sign-up, confirms registration and can include calendar details. Email customers on an anniversary, uses a date trigger for appreciation or offers. Send email to churned member, runs a win-back with survey or incentive. Send welcome email after first login, shares product tips, post sign-in. Continue to the next page. Send abandoned cart emails, recovers carts with reminders and incentives. Send re-engagement email to e-commerce customers, targets inactive buyers. Send welcome email to new e-commerce customers, thanks new purchasers with order next steps. Send welcome email to newly registered member, confirms membership and gets them started. Stop tracking intent signals after 90 days, ends monitoring after a set period. Start tracking intent signals when a company becomes a target account, begins monitoring for high-value accounts. Audience targeting for routing emails to a customer agent, routes conversations to the right team based on criteria. Add new contacts to a nurture campaign, enrolls fresh contacts into multi-email nurturing. Finally, assign new web leads to contact owners, automatically distributes leads and notifies owners so follow-up happens fast. If this overview helped, subscribe for more.